Quentin, welcome. Thanks for coming down today. Paul
Always
here,
pleasure.
Music Villa in downtown Bozeman, Montana. And we're continuing on our Modern Deluxe talk. Okay. I think this is the last one that you have to demo for me. So
I hope there'll be more. I hope they move into some Paul frets and some other
maybe
shapes because really have appreciated these features throughout their different body styles.
Yeah, they're fun. We did the dreadnoughts, and now we're doing the OM-000 body shapes.
Right.
So today we're looking at the OM-28. Okay, OM orchestra model. That's the body shape. It's the same body shape as the 000. This one is the longer scale length. Okay,
Right.
from here to there. Yes, and all the same features of the dreadnoughts.
Of the Modern Deluxe
Yep.
series. So you've got liquid metal pins. You've got VTS
top, age top,
carbon fiber sandwich bridge plate. Cool little.
Yes.
Yeah, the
cool little
inlay,
abalone inlay there on the headstock.
And then this neck that we keep talking about as it's like trying to describe chocolate to somebody or your favorite ice cream. Why do you like it? Putting it into words, I just do. But
it's a neat
I think it's something that
profile.
a lot of folks will appreciate when they come in. Some folks might not even notice. They might just grab it and roll on it. But fortunately over the past year or so when I've been doing all these, I've been feeling a lot of different neck shapes, and I've always had an appreciation for something like the V-shaped necks. I remember you used to get them on old Tellys and Fenders and stuff. This nice V shape, and I think that you were saying you can go into the history, but I feel that this neck has a shape that's somewhere in between, like the profile, the low oval profile, and a V shape. And somebody's going to correct me. Martin can correct me, but it just. At the end of the day, it feels good.
It feels vintage,
it
though.
Does.
It feels good. It doesn't feel too big. It feels really nice.
It's very comfortable down, and as you move up, it still maintains.
Don't let me
that
forget
comfort.
the titanium truss rod.
Yeah, that's right.
And that makes it lighter. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And they're just great guitars.
Mm-hmm.
We have them all now, and I think this is our last one. Let's hear this one. This is the OM.
It sounds like what you expect it to sound like for this body style. With the slightly longer. We have a comparison up, I think, too, and you can make the call for yourself how the scale affects the sound. But to me, it sounds nice because it's. I always think of these guitars as maybe great instruments for fingerstyle players because you can. With the thinner body, you can hug them. But I also associate them with singer-songwriters who are looking for a guitar that has a nice tone. It's very evenly balanced across. It's not boomy.
Works with your voice a lot sometimes
so
for certain singers.
It won't overpower your vocals or your singing when you're playing, or even just rhythm. As a nice rhythm instrument, but it sounds very nice. A nice balance of, really kind of a sweet spot all around. Good, even response, not too punchy and loud.
I like it.
But a good tone.
Well, thanks, Quentin.
You bet.
I like it. I think we covered all the features on that. That is the OM-28 Modern Deluxe, new from Martin. And we'll go on to the end here and let you do your thing.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.